Okay, this is the video I was saying about a free traffic system. It's called Empire Free Traffic Empire, and it's the Empire Free Traffic System, which will help you to get free traffic where you don't and you never have to pay. So um, you're never gonna max out your credit card. My advice to you is to stick with this and to not quit. To just do and follow what you're told to do here. You know, if you do that, then you're going to succeed. There isn't any way you can't. You know, I mean, this system gives you full instruction. You're shown what to do. You got full video training, and you follow the training and you rinse and repeat. That's what you do. You just go back and you just do the same thing over and over again. Just keep going around and round and round, and then you get until you get all the traffic you need and want or ever want. You know, that's how it works. You know, just keep doing it. You don't have to do a lot a day. You know, maybe 30 minutes or an hour a day. That's it. And you're done. You know, and over time it just builds up. That's what it is. This is how this works. Okay. Okay. So I will move on now, and we will move on to the actual video where I tell you what you need to know about the Empire traffic system. Okay, here I am again with this is the second part with regards to the answer for perpetual income 365 and the lack of in the where perpetual income 365 was lacking, which is in free traffic. And this system here is a system of free traffic. That's what this is, right? You don't pay for this, right? It's another continuity program, just the same. But you marry the two together, and then you've got something really, really powerful. You don't need to buy when you get these two together. You don't need to buy anything else. You see? You just don't need to buy anything else. In other words, it's a ClickBank product, right? You get these two, you don't need to buy anything else. You can build a substantial business, you know, where you can do 1,000 a month, 2,000 a month, 5,000 a month, 10,000 a month, you know, just by using these two systems. This is a system also. It's another one, you know, but this is a system for traffic. So yeah, that's what this is. And by the way, in the last video on Perpetual Income 365, there was one thing I didn't mention, which was probably I should have mentioned. It is a system that builds an email list, yes, but you have to have a autoresponder with that, and they recommend GetResponse, and which you set that up. You do it on the lowest plan. It's about $15 a month, right? But you see, the thing is, when you get these two systems, right, you're paying less than $100 a month for the two systems, and you can build a business that's just phenomenal. You know, that can, you know, get you to the success you want. You know, but you try and do it. You know, if you want to listen to them, the guys out there with their selling their $3,000 products and their $4,000 products and their $1,000 products, right? You can go out there and do that, but you'll blow through your big credit card real quick, and you'll have nothing to show for it. But if you trust what I'm telling you, and you do what I'm telling you, you put these two together, you'll have a chance. A real good chance if you do the work. Because, you know, you can't sit on your ass and then think, oh yeah, the pennies are going to fall from heaven. It doesn't happen. Oh, the duck, I want duck for dinner, or it's going to fly right into my mouth. Doesn't happen. You see, the most powerful thing in this world is action. Right? That's it. You could, you know, university degrees and for PhDs and all the rest of the shit. You know, poor, desperate and broke, PhD, right? Means nothing. The only thing that means something is you taking action. In other words, trusting and taking action and doing something. You know, that's what it takes. And then when you've got a system like I've got, right, with these two things, you've got a system that's really incredibly powerful where you can get to where you want to go. There isn't any doubt about that. You know. See, that's the thing, and you can build it over time. See, well, like I was here. Why you need to get Empire for just $1, and that's it, $1, $1. Give us a break, but it's $1 for you know, for a month, and then it's $37 a month, just like the other one. See, right? But you see, you put these two together, you've got something powerful. See, no Google, Facebook, or Bing ads. See, no creating videos, right? Newbie friendly method, works for anyone. Period. Unlimited free traffic system. 60-day money-back guarantee. Get results with this, or we will give you 100% of your money back inside the next 60 days. See, so you got nothing to lose. But I reckon the thing is about this, you're not going to find anything else like this. It just isn't there. See, you can apply this to any of the systems, because you've got to, like I said in the last video, you've got to understand that all these entrepreneurs that are involved in affiliate networks, they like ClickBank and Pay or ClickBank and ClickShare and all these other affiliate programs, right? And are there because they want to avoid paying for traffic. That's all it is. See? They want to get you to come along and, oh yeah, excited about their program, and promote their program on paid traffic and go broke doing it. That's what they want. That's what I said in the last video, right? Right. And then and there's another thing that you don't realise is also that they'll steal your traffic while they're doing it. So you're paying for the traffic, right? And they'll have a pop up on their page when someone tries to leave, right? This is what they'll do, right? And they'll steal your traffic. They'll do that to you too, with a heartbeat, and you're paying for them to steal your traffic, and you get nothing for it. You see what I mean? I mean, these bastards are vicious, right? They're dogs. That's it, simple as that. I don't care about what. They're not kind to you. They're not. They're bloody savage bastards, And that's what it is. This is war. You've got to understand. If you don't want to, it's war. If you're working for a boss, it's war. If you're out there down with a job, it's war. You are not guaranteed to have a job forever. It's not going to be that way anymore. I mean, that was the last generation and the generation before that. They had a job for 40 years. You can't even guarantee that a government job is going to last you for that long now. Even that's shaky as hell now. So, you just got to do for yourself, and you got to trust and try. That's what you got to do. You got to go through trial and error to get to where you want to be. That's just the way it is. I mean, and it's not easy. It's hard. That's how it is. You want to be a success. You want to be a top performer. Then you've got to do what other people don't want to do, and that's all it is. Self-made, is what it says. It's self-made. You're self-made because you do what other people don't want to do. That's all it is. See? You make quick decisions, you get on with it. You don't do it, Anyway, I shouldn't rave on about this, but anyway, this is the truth about success. That's how it is. I'll play the video. See what he has to say.
What's up, everyone? It is Fergal here, and I want to welcome you to my brand new course, which is called Empire. So usually the first people in. This is only available to the early bird email list and members of my Facebook group. So you will literally be the very, very first people that are coming in to join Empire. So I know you're going to love it, and I'm really excited to have you in the members area here. So as you know, I live in or maybe you don't know, but I live in the Canary Islands right now because it's the middle of winter, and I don't like being in Ireland for winter for obvious reasons because the weather is so bad. So I live here, and I am able to live here because I am doing the exact method that I'm teaching you inside Empire, which is giving me a passive income while I'm able to go on the beach, while I'm able to go hiking, while I'm able to live whatever kind of life it is that I want to lead here in the Canary Islands. So the system that I have set up that's paying me monthly all the time, and if I make one sale, it pays me again and again every single month, is the exact system that I'm going to be teaching you inside Empire. So let me just show you out the window here, because I'm in my apartment here now, but I have a pretty cool view. And please.
So yeah, so there we go. He tells you what it's about. It's a true free traffic system, you know. You put these two together, you got something powerful. Now, you know, I will probably put what I will do is I'll put a link in the description for this, for the so you can go get it if you want it, and I'll put a link in the description for Perpetual 365 at the bottom of the 365 video as well. So yeah, be smart. Don't be dumb. Don't be listening to all the opinion that's out there. You know, it's people who are, you know, who are doing something that's different that win. You know, this is different, right? So you want to win? Do something different. Don't listen to the mainstream mob, because they'll always lead you astray every time. Anyway, if you like this video, press the like button. If you want to subscribe, press the subscribe button, and press the notification bell. And any more information about this, then it will be in the description. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Thank you.